Hi dear, so today we're going to be making this lovely headband. Now first of all, let me show you how I made the green feathers. Now you know your normal fan feathers, the one you used to make fan. Yeah, so first of all I trim it, or would I say I shave the hairs around it so it becomes slim and looks not bushy. That's the idea. Now let's look at the other items used in making the hairband. The first is our ALIEXPRESS, the slim one, which I've wrapped around with the Ankara used to make the same cloth that is going to be worn with, and I've put the elastic band at the end. Now if you've watched my video, you already know how to do that. Then we have those feathers, spiky owl feathers, the bunch. That's the third. I divided it into three, so that's the remaining. Then we have this Ankara roses that I have made. If you have not attended the classes, you need to get to the Eventcraft Academy and attend the brooch class. You get to know more than this one there. You can check for the link in the description to enter the reception and make a request for it. Alright, so next I'm going to be sewing the bunch of feathers to my ALIEXPRESS, and I'm going to be making use of the Ankara that I've used to wrap it, to hold it also, and take it round and use the part that the feathers was wrapped to also to take the needle and thread through so that it will hold it firmly. Now remember, this bunch of feathers I told you have divided into three already. I've made use of the other two parts. This is the third part, so that feathers has really come in handy. Keep watching and learning. Do remember that if you can't find any of the items used in making this headband, Ankara headband, in your local store, you can check the description of this video. You'll see Amazon links, AliExpress links, and my own links to place your orders. Okay, so once you're sure you have gotten your feathers securely attached to the ALIEXPRESS, the next thing is to take your Ankara roses and use it first of all to cover the sewing on the feather. So I'm going to be sewing it in front and behind also to cover all the feathers. Remember, I love to sew instead of using glue so that I know it lasts longer. Do you understand? Because if you use glue, after some years the glue will get weak. So this, you can use other roses, you know, but I'm making a headband to match an attire. My daughter's attire actually, and it's made of Ankara and black velvet or suede. So keep watching and learning how I build up the flower design. You want to ensure you stay to the end of this video so you get to see if you can get to attend one of our classes in the Eventcraft Academy for free, because we have a challenge for you. And also, if you attempted the challenge for last week, you need to also stay to the end so you get to know if you are the winner. And also, you can take your skills deeper and come join us in the Eventcraft Academy for more tutorials in our millinery journey and other crafts, because actually we do go through other crafts in the academy. So you can check the description below and join the reception. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to take my feathers, those feathers that I trimmed off. I'm going to use it to cover some parts of the rose behind and add some more flavor to it. Actually, this is really very colorful, and that's because it's a headband for a kid, my daughter actually. So I decided to make it different colors. It came out looking very nice. Oh, what do you think? Would I have reduced the color combination? I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. So this, I'm not going to use needle and thread. I think it's going to be very tacky to do that. So I'm making use of uhu gum and I'm gluing them all behind like so. Keep watching and learning. Okay, so to cover it up more, I'm going to also use some of the roses that I have left to cover like so. And this time around I didn't sew it, I had to use glue to cover it. Keep watching and learning. Looking for more ways to earn income as a millionaire? Look no further. I've created the perfect pamphlet for you. I call the Millionaire's Wealth Blueprint. You don't want to miss it. So you can just contact me. My WhatsApp number in the description below and place an order for yours. Gaining value from this video, please do give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified of our upcoming new trainings. Then I decided to add some bling bling to it. And I put those on the Ankara, you know, when you stone Ankara, but I put them in the middle of the rose and just put it so that as she's walking, you'll be seeing things glittering. And that's how I made this lovely Ankara headband. What do you think? Do you like it? Okay, so while you're at it, remember we had a challenge for last week. Yeah. So who won the game challenge of last week? It is, I don't know what that is. I think Akosak. Some. Please, sorry if I made a mistake. Congratulations. Please do check contact us at the Ventcraft Academy reception for your gifts to attend brush class 3 for free. Now today's challenge. What other material did I say was used in making the cloth? Now you must have been listening very well to get to know it. Okay, and the winner will attend brush class 4 for free. Before you jump off, check out this next video.